Tripura state o salbangma laithamoni yogo BJP bai Tripura motha India government bai malaya accord signature ba agreement khelaiha BJP government bai signature khenai ro ungha Tripura motha ni ungye bubagra Pradut Bikram Manikko Debbarma Bijoy Kumar Rangkol Onimesh Debbarma aro agreement o sui rilaiha aro tre po chung knui nuha Chief Secretary Tripura ni ungye JK Singha Ake Additional Secretary NE ni ungye aro tungsingnai Piyush Goyal agreement ni yogo Tripura motha ni khaubai knui minister pono maiha jang BJP ni ungye biskangwa MP boot ni candidate ungye selected khiha West Tripura ni ungye batainai cham CM Sri Biplab Kumar Deb Ake Tripura motha ni ungye pho MP candidate selected khiha It's Tripura ni ungye batainai ungha Kriti Devi Singh Bini educational ungha bungskang 1992 o Luteru Convent School Shillong class 10 jora lekhasnuha Kriti Devi Singh bubagra Pradut Bikram Manikko Debbarma ni imbi hugra phaide ake chung Kriti Devi Singh ni msai ni mung Yogesh Sor Raj Singh bubagra Pradut Bikram Manikko Debbarma ni imbi hugra ni mungke Kriti Devi Singh bungskang 2018 o Chhattisgarh ni state o keha Kawarda ba Kabirdam hingye mung keha jaga thai tongo abo jaga ke keha general seat bo thai ke 72 constituency by khosing o aro Kriti Devi Singh 2018 o keha independent party ni mumbai ke vote bachaha Chhattisgarh ni state keha Kawarda ba Kabirdam hingye mung ake jaga thai po vote candidate bachaha aro Kriti Devi Singh haidi aro bini general seat o msa vote ake percent maiha sisa sini thanglai aro Kriti Devi Singh vote pa lasingye 459 votes maiha bini percentage ngoha 0.90 bini vote result ake status phono hamya ungye thaha aro bo kauke 2018 ni Kriti Devi Singh election o bataimoni details e ake phaidi tauni je situation East Tripura o kaui philai tungmoni kauno sisa khusalaye khnaalairano Chungjoto Tripura hama ni brukno siwo East Tripura ungha keha STC che abo kaujoto brukno siwo abo trek takie sane nangnaya hinge wansuo je East Tripura o Kriti Devi Singh no tuye sisa kau kasamo social media ni imsing ke abo kauno faidi khaya nailaina aro kau kasaha East Tripura ni candidate seat ba ST seats le breke general ni bro phaye ST do MP ticket riopi Tripura motha party o kheba kaham qualification ni bro kri khade keha phode kaham leadership khemainai bro kri kha ni de klai BJP ni symbol laye East Tripura o Kriti Devi Singh bachamo unke chungle budriya abodin kiye social media ni msing din kiye kau kasaye toha East Tripura ni STC do ST ni jaga ole general ni bro MP ticket maimar kroi hinge East Tripura ni STC do kok banglaye toha abodin kiye no social media o both rinai ria hinge kok banglai tongo biskang East Tripura o Kriti Devi Singh STC do both msa gbang mainai abo tawsu jora kaham ke sisu yako Due report hastini khora